guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing the new events that I haven't done. Oh, what? Oh, wow. Ooh, okay. Today we're going to be doing this, of course, and we could also do this event. And first of all, let's just condense our resin. 60, so we just make this 3. Let's just make 3. Okay, now we have extra for the artifact domain. So guys, we have like so escoffier is going to be a pretty good buffer, and I'm already guaranteed for her. So now I'm just trying to get her artifacts. Probably a blizzard strayer would be best for her, because like she could freeze, because she could only use cryo and hydro members in her team. So definitely the playstyle she plays is freeze. So I'm just going to do that, I guess. And also, oh, we finished our commissions without doing anything. Nice. So right now we're just going to get the blizzard strayer. Hopefully we could get some stuff for her, some artifacts, and hopefully I think I'm gonna try to get her C1. I'll just spend all my wishes on her banner, hopefully get an early pity and win my 50-50 for her C1, because it would be very cracked for Skirk and Ridersley, obviously. So our placeholder is going to be someone pole arm, Rosaria, and she's pretty high leveled, so she would be in the top, on the top here. Yeah, okay, so we could just take this, goodbye, and we're not going to be using Fav. Where is, okay, you could take that 5, and we're going to be using Skyward Spine for escoffier. Today is not Wednesday, so we cannot do this. We could always do that later. Okay, so we're going to be using Skyward Spine, which gives us pretty good crit rates. Attack, okay. Crit rates, okay. Pretty good crit rates for now. We can also use the Golden Troop, but I think Blizzard Strayer would be better. Because, I mean, like, if the enemies are frozen, so it should be pretty good for her. Like, she's only going to play freeze anyway. Why is Ridersley sideways? But okay, we could, guess we could use this team. I don't really have any other team. It's fine, we could try using this. I guess Ridersley won't be doing anything. What we're doing is a attack percent Sands, because we need her healing based off attack. Maybe cryo damage or attack if I want to make her heal. Probably not, I'll just do cryo, because I want to make her as a sub DPS anyway. And crit rate circlet. Okay. Just realized we can't really do anything. I guess we could do physical Farina. Her normal attacks are crowned. Ow. Siege healing, come on. Siege healing damage from ocean hued clam. Nice. Okay. Pretty good. Okay, Siege for the good luck. Please. Attack Sands with crit rate. No, crit damage more. Okay, cryo. Crit rate. Can be good for now. At least it's in the right set. Okay. Also, I feel like I want to upgrade Charlotte's thing first. Which one's 20? That's 20. This is 16. Okay, actually, we could just do it later when we know that we get trash pieces. Okay. This, oh no. Heal, let's just use all my hydro characters first. DPS siege beam. Ow. Ow. Nice. Our burst is back up and we're oh, and we killed him. Okay. Kazuha for the luck. Probably attack sands, crit rate. Okay. And a good flower, please. Okay, off piece. Yeah. Good. Okay. I think the 4 stars are bad or not. I'm going to scream. Okay. We just need a little bit more crit rate. Wait, I think escoffier actually ascends off crit rate. I think so. Wait, is she though? I think she is. She is. She's probably is. So I'll just do like, probably like 50? I'll just check later though. Hopefully she does. Okay, ride a slave for the luck. Oh wait, why did I use condense? Okay, it's fine. Right, this is also cryo. Come on. Okay, attack. Okay. Okay, that attack is kind of bad, but like, I mean, I did ask for attack. I mean, I did, but like, I don't want it. I don't want it to be that bad. Okay. Hey, Rosaria, aka our placeholder. Okay, let's just put that in. Okay, this is pretty good. Okay, so let's see. Crit rate or ER? Okay, that's gonna turn out bad. We can do this for now. Wait, what? Since when do I have that? Okay, no. Put on this first. I actually need to Google up what she ascends with. It will make our building easier because, like, Farina got 66 crit rate because of her ascension. I kind of want to have escoffier a good, oh my gosh, a good sub DPS for my Risley or future, hopefully get Stark. So I don't know if I want to pull for her C1, but it is actually really good. But if I pull for her C1, it's like, it's just that. I'm not gonna be like, I'm not gonna like get Mavika or other stuff that I want. Mavika and Skirk. Okay. Cryo. Attack. Okay. We can always strongbox, I guess. Okay. Wait, I should have sanctifying elixir, right? Do I have a sanctifying elixir? I kind of want to try out the sanctifying elixir after. Okay, can we have one? Okay, let's try it out. Let's try it out. Is it actually a scam? Because some people say that it's a scam. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Boom. Boo. Okay, I guess it's 4 layers, but it already looks like a scam to me. Okay, will it be a scam? Oh yeah, I'm in combat. Okay. Let's just see later. Is it a scam? It shouldn't be, right? The game loves me. Even though it didn't give me attack or anything, it gave me defense. What? Riders like a oh, wait, what? Okay. Okay, let's see. Sorry. Where is this? Okay, I also made this, but it was this. It was like, okay. Crit damage. Crit damage. It is in fact a scam. Okay, something good to make up for it. Another feather. Attack. There we go. Good. It's okay. It's okay, okay. Okay, so that flat feather was like kinda not it. Okay, the attack is pretty good. Wait, why am I going so down? I'm not gonna lock this because that's pretty bad. Change to this. See? Crit damage. Okay, EM's pretty fine. Only crit. And ER. Okay, attack. I mean, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Okay, come on. Freeze you. I'm gonna freeze. Okay, I'm doing 5k, 2k with Friday Slay. I have no idea why. Siege Weed, mean DPS. Heart Bubble. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Nice. Okay, Rider Slave, punching. For the good luck. Condensed, yes, okay. Good luck. Something on piece. Cryo damage bonus. Create circle. Attack. Crit rate. Thanks. A lot for those weird pieces. Okay, to be completely honest, I think we need more crit damage. It's scam box time. Let's see if it's actually a scam. Okay, it's guaranteed to be a blizzard, so I feel like I have lots of. Wait, okay, blizzard. Okay, we put 12. 4 artifacts. Good. Okay, crit rate. That could work. I don't know if that would work though. Okay. Hi-ya! Good. Oh, there we go. Finally. Okay, Rosaria. Please don't fail me. This. Okay. Please, oh please. Crit rate. Oh, hey. Hey, that's pretty good. Okay. Could do 4 times of these. ER. Attack, okay. It's okay. Oh no. Crit damage. Hey! I don't know why I keep checking that. Do I have any oh, what? Chiori. Oh no. Okay. Don't have any non-used trash pieces, do we? This is good. I kind of want to get away. Okay. I mean, it's a crit damage. It's okay, but like, because it's crit damage main stat, it will get 2 times crit damage. Crit damage. Crit damage, then go to crit rate. Hey, that's pretty good. Just use to throw all of these into the bin. I forgot that oh wait, no. Wait, no, I don't need this. This either. This. I still need more. Okay. Crit rate. Oh, hey. Hey, that's pretty good. Oh no. Okay, I think that's pretty good. That should be pretty good. Okay, that is pretty good. Pretty good build for now, just for now. We should get some more crit damage though. Maybe I could change this for crit damage or something. But yeah. Okay, now we could do this. Oh, we could already do everything today, so. What's the primogems? Just these two. So we could just do this, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, first half. Who is that? Cryo, okay. Trial characters? Okay. So, this is chess, okay. That's Cryo and, okay. Farina. I'm struggling to make a team. I guess we could do that. I don't know what that is though. No. G, no. Guess we could do that. We could try that, I guess. Hopefully it works. Okay. Start. Ooh, this priest is really creepy. Nouvellette. Ow. Oh, we just do this. That. Yume Mizuki Mizuki. Okay, do that. There's a time limit. Oh wait, what if I just do? Okay. Ow. Okay. What? No, 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 no. No. Oh, that's a support. Oh. So the actual challenge is at phase 2. Okay. Please, please, please. Siege Bean. Okay, Cheska, Cheska, Cheska. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, okay. Burst. No, 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 burst. Raiden Shogun. Cheska. Boop, 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 boop. Oh! That is pretty easy. Free Primo Gems. Okay, first phase. This, I'm guessing you need Pyro for this. But we could always do this the wrong way. We could do Vaporize. Wait, why am I not using the trial characters? I didn't even see who the trial character was. Forgot that there was a trial character, but okay, let's just try this. If it doesn't work, then we redo it. Okay, come on, Nuvi, let it. Nahida. Situlali. You. Nuvilet. Boom, 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 boom. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Situlali. Burst. Raiden burst. Nahida burst. Stabilize. Oh wait, wow, that's pretty quick. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, oh no. Oh. Okay. The second half is about to begin. Why do we bring my non-really ready build Shangling? It's fine. Shangling. Shangling. Nice, 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 nice. Ouch! Nice. This event is actually pretty easy. Probably because I'm doing it in like, okay. Next. What? Is that a wolf? Okay. Kinish. Oh, let's do plunge. Please, please tell me that I don't really like Shenyun. Please. So I don't have to pull for Shenyun. Let's just use Hyper Bloom. Hyper Bloom Kinich. Okay, please tell me I don't really like Shenyun, so I don't have to pull for her. Like, I was planning to. If I do like her, I think I kind of want to pull because I also want C6 Gami. I just want a constellation away. Okay, anyways. Please, please, please. Oh, okay. Very slay there, Shenyan. Nice. Wow. This is very quick. Okay, plunge. Plunge ride a slay. Why is he actually doing pretty good damage? Oh no, I kind of like it. Oh no. Just use every burst. Shenyan. Shenyan. Okay, I kind of like Shenyan. No! No! I want Shenyan. I want Shenyan. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Why did I try her out? I want Shenyan. I'm guaranteed, but I don't know. Wait. Should we just pull until I get 7 to 75 pity? Okay. Kinich is, of course, I want. Like, I want Kinich. Ever since he released. I just realized we don't have a healer here. It's fine. We're gonna be fine. Okay, we're not gonna be fine. Come on, Raiden Shogun. Come on. Okay. Can this? A bit of this. Aha! Come on, aha. Okay, wait, no. You have to go healer mode. You have to go healer mode. Healer mode. Boom. Nice. Done. Now from this. Okay, this. No, Verse is also here. Don't know what team I'm doing. Now, Veressa. We could do Super Conduct team. Okay, please, Veressa. I want to try to pull, but I don't know who to pull for. But I really want escoffier, but like I kind of. Oh no! Genshin is making this so hard for F2B players. Like actually though. Also, my Nuvi is actually pretty good now. I have no idea how. So my Chiori is also pretty good. When enemies are frozen. Okay. Oh, it only increases when it's when the enemies are frozen. Okay. I thought it's when you kill. Let's just try it first, it's fine. It's totally okay. We're gonna be fine. Okay, Veressa. Veressa is also, like, I also want Veressa. Okay, let's go. Like, she is so fun. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, she's dying. Okay. Oh my gosh. Kaboom. Okay. Nice. Last one. So this is the team I have been wanting to do for so long. Wait, but we need a healer. Yeah, I guess we could do that. Okay, yeah, I don't know. Should work anyway. I guess we could use Farina healer mode. Cannot switch character now. Okay. Okay. Farina healer mode. Nahida. Raiden Shogun as Hyper Bloom. Boom. When a team triggers Night Soul Burst. Okay, that's pretty good. Farina gives good ER. No. Nice. Night Soul Burst. We got one buff, I think. Did we? No, I don't think we did. Did we? Oh, we did. Okay, continue the challenge. Let's go, Mavuika. I'm going to be using Mavuika as off-field and then doing melt. So this, we could just do this. Donut. Okay. This again. This. That. Okay. Grizzly. What? It's working for some reason. Woof. Pew, pew, pew. Boom. Yeah, okay, I have no idea. Break the mechanism. This. Heal. Mavuika. Okay, abandon challenge. Nice, pretty cool. Yay! Okay, so we did every single thing. We did all the events. Now we could go back to Fontaine. Okay, so I'm gonna try pulling 5 times. Hopefully we get C6 Gaming. I'll probably try to get Shenyan. Hopefully we get C6 Gaming. Do I even have 5 pulls? I don't think so. So just put it in 70. I'm at 70 pity right now, I'm guaranteed. Okay, C6 got me. But my 4-star pity is like so low. We have standard. Okay. So first, okay, we definitely have 5 pulls. Okay, standard. Nothing. Okay. Oh, it's only 1 more day. Okay. See, our 4-star pity is like so. We do 50, 60, 65, 70, 70. Yeah. Our 4-star pity is 3. So we do 5. Okay. Just 5 pulls. Please, C6 coming. I mean, if we get a Shenyun, then it's fine. It's fine. It would be good. Let's just. I don't know, but like. Remove. Oh, wait. What? Why is my friendship team here? Oh, this is my weird teams. This is Chongyun. Okay. 5 pulls? Okay, I'm so scared. 1 C6 coming, please. Okay. 71. Okay. 72. Okay, I also kind of want Shenyun. 73. I'll probably build her a main DPS. Okay, Gaming. 74. Where's the Gaming? 75. We're at 8. Wait, no. Yeah, we're at. Okay, 1 more pull. 76. Gaming, please. Gaming. Okay. Gaming. Huh? You're not even on the banner. Okay, no, that's enough pulling. No way I'm gonna get another 4-star before a 5-star. Yeah, but it's fine. No, we're gonna stop, guys. I'm so sorry. I would love to continue if my pity wasn't high. Goro? How's my Goro C6? He is C6. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.